位来宾，大家好，节日快乐！当大家在香港迪士尼乐园庆祝奇妙季节的同时，一位非常特别的朋友已经来到。Good evening, everyone, and happy holidays! As we celebrate the magic of the season here at Hong Kong Disneyland, a very special friend has come to join us. Everyone, please welcome Santa Goofy.
Wow, welcome Santa Goofy. Are you here to help us light up our holiday tree?
Oh,
Goofy, you brought a magical holiday wand with you to light up the tree.
Everyone, we need you to join in as well. Close your eyes.
And now, while your eyes are closed, let's all make a wish. Did you make a wish? Okay, everyone, open your eyes.
Now everyone copy Santa Goofy's movements and let's see if your wishes come true! Oh, Santa Goofy, you did it! Because of you, all of our wishes will come true! Santa Goofy, it's time for you to make some magic!
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Be light.
From now on, our troubles will be out of sight.
And have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Kelsey.
And I'm Caesar.
My name is Donna.
And I'm Jason. As we celebrate the magic of the holidays here at Hong Kong Disneyland, please enjoy the holiday magic our good friend Santa Goofy will create.
It is this magic that reminds one and all to cherish the magic of the season. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, go listen it once again, with candy canes and silver lanes above.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing like within your
Candy canes,
Maybe it's cold outside.
I got to know
Maybe it's cold outside.
this evening is
You're
so
driving.
very nice.
Your hair just like
I often say no, no, no,
I say
so
bye.
I'll say that I try. I really can't
Maybe it's cold out. Maybe it's cold outside.
walking with you in a winter snow, kissing underneath the mistletoe. People smiling everywhere we go. It's Christmas Eve and they can't see we're in love.
You make the season bright with the lights reflecting in your eyes. All my dreams are coming true tonight. It's Christmas Eve and they can see we're in love.
Great job, Santa Goofy. We all have our hopes and wishes for the holidays.
But perhaps one of the most universal wishes of all is the wish for peace and love. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be.
To take each moment and live each moment in peace eternally.
We hope all your wishes come true.
And from all of us, we hope that you enjoy the rest of your evening here at Hong Kong Disneyland.
圣诞快乐！
多謝你嚟臨感受節日。
Just as I used to know, where the treetops glisten and I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be
La 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 la. La 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 la.